In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove people from your photos in Photoshop 2026 using the fastest and cleanest method available. We're only using the Lasso tool and the Remove button in the contextual taskbar. No complicated settings, no advanced masking, and no extra panels. This is perfect for beginners and anyone who wants professional results in seconds. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photoshop guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your image in Photoshop 2026. Once your photo is open, take a quick look at the person you want to remove and make sure your layer is selected in the Layers panel. Now press L on your keyboard to activate the Lasso tool. You can also select it manually from the toolbar on the left, but using the shortcut is much faster. With the Lasso tool active, we're going to manually draw a selection around the person we want to remove. Click and drag around the entire person. Don't worry about tracing perfectly around the edges. You do not need to be precise here. In fact, it's better to make a loose selection. The key is to include the full body of the person and a small margin of background around them. That extra space gives Photoshop more information about the surrounding area, which helps it rebuild the background more accurately. Once you connect your selection back to the starting point, you'll see the marching ants around the selected area. As soon as the selection is active, a small pop-up bar will appear near it. This is called the contextual taskbar, and it gives you quick action options based on what you've selected. In that bar, simply click Remove. That's it. Photoshop will instantly analyze the surrounding pixels and automatically replace the selected person with matching background using its built-in AI technology. In most cases, the result looks incredibly natural within just a few seconds. If the result isn't perfect on the first try, don't worry. Just press Ctrl-Z to undo, then make a slightly wider selection and click Remove again. Sometimes including more background context helps Photoshop generate a cleaner fill. Small adjustments to your selection can make a big difference. If you want to work non-destructively and keep your original image safe, here's a quick extra step. Before making your selection, duplicate your layer by pressing Ctrl-J. This creates a copy of your image, so any changes happen on the duplicate layer instead of the original. That way you can always go back if needed. And that's the fastest way to remove people from your photos in Photoshop 2026. Just remember the simple workflow. Lasso tool, make a loose selection, then click Remove. No complicated prompts, no manual cloning, and no advanced retouching required. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials. I'll see you next time.